केळशीच्या नव्या पंचायत मंडळाचे पयले बसकेत कांय महत्वाचे निर्णय घेतले। तातूंतले दोन महत्वाचे निर्णय म्हटल्यार सैमीक केसरवाळ झरीचे सोबितीकरण करप आणि मिनी इंडिया प्रकल्पा अंतर्गत कंपाउंड वॉल बांधपाक केल्लो विरोध।
कुट्टाळीची केळशी पंचायत घडल्या। तांचे पयलेच बसकेत मिनी इंडिया प्रकल्पाच्या कंपाउंड वॉलाक विरोध जालो, कित्याक तर तांणी फटीची कागदपत्रां दिल्यात अशें पंचायत मंडळाचें म्हणणें। ते भायर ही वणत जाली जाल्यार पारंपारीक नुस्तेमारांच्या मार्गात आडमेळ येतली। केसरवाळ जंक्शन सद्याक अपघातांची सुवात जावन रावल्या। ते कडेन लक्ष दिवचें अशी चीट जिल्लोधिकारी आनी PWD विभागाक धाडप अशेंय थारलें।
आयज आमची फर्स्ट बॉडी मिटींग आसली, तातूंत एक फायल येयल्या मॉज एंटरप्रायजीस। ताचे डॉक्युमेंट्स फॉल्स आसात ते आमी क्लॅरिफिकेशनाक मागल्या।
कित्या खातीर फायली कोण मिनी इंडिया
मिनी इंडिया ताचे 114 फॉर्म आनी डॉक्युमेंट सारके ना। केसरवाळ स्प्रिंगेचे आमी उलयले, ते आमी फोकस घातला की ते आमी मॉडिफाय करपाक आनी ब्युटिफिकेशन करपाक, सगळे क्लिननेस एंड प्रॉपर हेल्थ।
In the Mini India Park project, the proponent had asked for the permission to build the wall over there. So, and he has produced the documents which are not from the property, but it is from the Taligaon. And this file was placed before the administrator just to obtain the permission without taking the permission of the panchayat. However, they could not succeed in doing that. Now we have asked, the panchayat has asked him to produce the proper documents, and then only we will verify it whether the fact is correct or no. And in that area, the traditional access is existing, which is used by the villagers and the fisherfolk to enter the riverfront to carry out their fishing activities. Plus, the sluice gates which is used by the farmers to maintenance, that way exists to there, it goes to that sluice gate also. And due to the blockade of the access, the farmers cannot go to carry out the maintenance of the sluice gates.
केसरवाळ झरीच्या वाठारात अनैतिक गजाली घडपाक लागल्यात। थंय पुलिसांनी पेट्रोलिंग करचें अशेंय पंचायतीन मागलां। आयकात उपसरपंच सुजी आनी पंच लोपिनोक।
Kesarwal spring is the main spot in south, so basically we are focusing on beautifying it, and it's also a medicinal spring, so many outsiders and all come over there, and we'll also focus on not polluting it with garbage, and all. We'll keep it very clean, and also we'll get the police force also, so that it remains maintained.
Kesarwal spring is that there is some nuisance is going over there, and we have decided or resolved to request the police of the Venna police station to have at least 2 rounds patrolling per day, so that some illegal activities are not being carried out, and some open defecation which takes place near the famous spring should be stopped. Third point is that where we are entering the road to come down to Kelshi, there does not exist any entrance to that road, which has been blocked and wrongly entered by the
national highway,
by the this pedestrian as well as the traffic.
गोवा 365 खातीर केळशेच्यान हिरू महाले।